Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use Beat Anh CapCut template. So without further ado, let's get into it. So now to start, open your CapCut app, and then from your home page, you can see at the bottom of your screen, template, just tap on that. Now from the search bar, just search for Beat Anh template. So now, as you can see, here are the videos that uses this template. You can choose from any of this video. So for example, for me, I want to use this one. Now just tap on that, and then at the bottom right corner of the screen, it says Use Template. Just tap on that. And then all we need to do is to select videos or photos that you want to use. Just wait a little bit to process the video. And here it is. If you are happy and satisfied with this video, just tap on export to save the video. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.